whoa. I love these. Now, are they?
6504.
Oh, I love Hero Pluto. That's awesome. Yeah, right. Oh, and then we have our new Zootopia. Yes, I love it. A lot of blue going on.
Yes,
It really matches.
His name is Gary the Snake, and he's a simulator.
Oh, whoa. It looks like one of the aliens.
Mind
You don't know how to make water go in him?
Oh, there.
I hided it streamers.
You did?
Confetti in here.
There's always a surprise somewhere. I love
From the
that.
last show.
Yeah? Awesome. Well, shall we get a picture together?
This confetti where it was like.
Oh, yeah, from the show, yeah. You gotta get that. It's a nice souvenir to have. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get closer.
Yeah. The Oceaneers Club here on the Destiny, just like the Wish, has a slide that they can get down. You can either come to the floor that it's on, or you can come from the floor above and slide down.
Dad, watch this.
I'm watching. And he's in the Oceaneers Club. This is the first time we're allowing him to check himself in and check himself out.
The outfit! Yes, you're like Captain Mickey! Spectacular! Aye, Captain. That is looking amazing. You know, Pluto highly approves of that. That's great. Yes, we got all the great things on the shoulders. Yes. Look, should we get Pluto's autograph? Is that alright? Okay, here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Coming up on the snout.
We're out doing fish extender gifts. And so on our floor we have the Hercules carpet and the Hercules crest on the door. This floor, which is deck 8, I think, has Brave. And up on 10 it was Big Hero 6. The crest is the bears.
And Casey, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. It's pointed to the front of the ship, so you know which way the front of the ship is. So if you're walking that way, if it comes upside down, you're walking to the back.
And there's the hidden Mickey.
Isn't that cool how they did that?
Did you make this yourself? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. That spins as well. That is awesome. Are you very smart? I can tell. Very nice. You know, me and Mr. Stark made ours by the box together, so that's pretty cool that you made one. And can it walk around and stuff, or is it still in the works?
But it can shoot webs.
It can shoot webs. Can I see? Very nice, buddy. That is awesome. Good job. I like it. Do you want to grab a photo with it? You want to stay right here next to me?
All right. Perfect. Thank you, Spider-Man.
Of course, man. Well, then you show me. I'll see you later, okay?
So we're up on 12 now, which is concierge, and where we have Hercules on our floor, and that other floor I showed you was Brave. Up here, it's Mickey. So
Look, it looks like the Avengers campus. And then look inside and see all the stones.
it seems like,
So you've got the 6 stones.
oh, the Infinity
And then
Stones.
Look, the Avengers door.
Yeah. There's Infinity Stones right here. But we're not concierge, so we're not gonna cheat and go in there. What? Oh, is it the end of the hallway? Okay.
Mickey, it's like looking in a mirror.
There's 2 of you. As a human.
Oh, it's you as a human. Well, very nice to meet you, Mickey Human. I guess we should call him Mickey Human, right? Not Mickey Mouse. All right, looks like Mickey Human would like your Mickey Mouse's autograph. Would you do the honors, Mickey? Thank you so much.
Mickey, he said if he goes to the kids club dressed like that, and everyone's going to respect him.
You are the captain, and me too.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mickey.
I think technically
Right, I
Minnie
can
is the
hold on to
captain,
that.
but Mickey is adjacent to Minnie, so
They're co-captains.
yeah, they're co-captain.